the broken piece of the fake marble, the acrylic, whatever it is. And I'm going to glue them back together and repair the crack. This stuff right here. There it is. Surface repair. It's a light cure. It uses ultraviolet light. Okay, so I'm going to use Gorilla Glue. Okay, we did get some glue squeeze out. So I don't know if you can see that or not, but see that. So I want. Okay, there we go. Nice and cleaned out. Now I'm thinking about standing it up like that so it'll simulate the crack that I won't have to fix. Okay, it's got this cool little applicator tip. It's hard to press, but I think some came out. Yeah. Okay. I need a light. There we go. We're just going to kind of fill that. It's kind of like a gel. Take some tape. Put on it. Now here's the trick. It's got this light right here that you put on it. It says it takes about, I don't know, 15 minutes. You put it all the way on it like that. On it like that. We'll try that for a few minutes. Alright, now we got to sand it. It's dry. I used the blue light with the deal that came with it. That little thing. I'll sand that and we'll get back. Now, I sanded it with that 220. Now, take this fine sandpaper and wet it. Wet sanding. It says wet or dry. So take a little bit of that water. I'll kind of fold it and have it, makes it easier to hold. And wet sand it. Okay, see up here, you can't hardly see that crack. And that's real close up. I mean, down here. Now I hit it with that polishing paste. I can get it in the light just right. Where's that light at? There it is. Hit it with a little bit of that polishing paste. Shine it on up there. But up there where no glue squirted out, right up in here, it's almost invisible. Focus it in on my hand again. There we go. Don't look at my hand. See that? Dang near invisible. That's got a little dirt up in there because I didn't sand it or whatever good, but that right in here, right across there, it was broken half, so I know there's a crack there, and that's Gorilla Glue in there. I couldn't quite clean out good enough, but maybe if I got some of the sand and dust and mixed it in with the clear hardening stuff, it might make it disappear. Sand it a little bit first and collect the dust up and mix it in with the glue, the repair stuff. Hello, fans.